There's the dash. Beautiful snow windshield. System check. Reduced engine performance. It's a nice snowy day today, and I thought I would work on the Rover a little bit. It's been doing some saying reduced performance on the engine, and our first target for that is I'm gonna take out this mass airflow sensor and I'm gonna clean it. I've read that that's a common issue, so we'll see if that helps us out. So I'm gonna take this little piece off, and straightforward, we're gonna be just removing this clip. Let me do that off camera, just so I can use both hands. And then just taking out these two Torx bits. That one right there, and that one right there. And then it should just pull straight on out, but I'll try to put the camera on for that one. So that's what I'm heading for. Hard to believe I was jet skiing just last week. Well, 2 weeks ago. So I'm pushing this tab down the back until it clears. I'm not using the screwdriver for anything, but really gentle, just wiggling. It's cold out today. I want to make sure I don't snap any of the plastic. Okay, so that clips off. A little bit of corrosion on the teeth in there too. Alright, next I'm going to have to find which Torx bit I need. Okay, these are T20, Torx 20. Okay. I'm going to put these itty bitty screws. Should just pull up. Yep, there we go. Okay, there's our mass airflow sensor. I'm going to take that inside out of the snow to clean it. Okay, so this is the mass airflow sensor. And this is some of the important parts, right? This is the wire, so this is how it reads the air density there on this side. Now, man, I want to show you with better light, but you can see this is shiny. See the wire is shiny, and the bulb, it's sort of got an amber color to it. If we look at the other side, which is the side that would be facing incoming air, the wire just looks dull and black, the front wire, and the bulb itself also looks dull and black. So those would be, well, we'll see. I haven't cleaned it yet. Hopefully when I clean it, that goes back to being amber and silver, and maybe those contaminants are throwing off the air density readings, which then changes the fuel mapping and then can give you a little bit of fits, reduced engine performance. Also, if you can see inside, there you can almost see inside, there are two other small wires in there as well. So those have some readings too. So we're going to spray inside. We're going to spray basically the entire thing, but mainly paying attention to those wires inside and these wires on the outside. We'll also hit these connectors too, just because you might as well make sure that they're getting a good contact as well before we put this back in. So what am I using to clean it? And the answer is mass airflow sensor cleaner. So this stuff right here on the right. And the reason to use mass airflow sensor cleaner specifically, and I'm not going to list out the chemical component, so if you could find the raw chemical component, go ahead. But when it dries, it's going to not leave a residue on the mass airflow sensor. I think it's actually it is absent alcohol. Anyway, so we're going to use this. It came in a 2-pack for throttle bottle and air intake cleaner, and then mass airflow cleaner separately. It was like $7 at Walmart. Okay, so we got our MAF. I'm going to make sure not to touch any of the wires. That's the whole working part of this thing. Okay, well, here's what we look like afterwards. What's great is it is nice and shiny on both sides now. So shiny on that side and shiny on this side. So it really cleared off whatever scum was on this wire. As for the wires that are down in here, they're sure hard to make out, right? They're hard to see. They're still there. That's one thing. Just make sure not to touch anything physically, because when you're spraying it, there you can sort of see the little resistor wires down there. Yeah, that's it. So clean. Clean. I also clean the contacts. Here. They're clean. So we're going to put it back in the Rover. See if that helps it out. Okay. So we've got the MAF all cleaned. I just plugged this off just because I didn't want any snow getting in there. Only one white way for this to go on there. Put it in there without hitting the wires, which is honestly easy. And I'm going to put those in and then get the 2 screws started. They're Torx 20. I didn't take a picture of it, but just even turning the key to the on position right now with this Rover, and you'll see the reduced engine performance display come up. So if that goes away, that'll be a big plus. Okay, so that's on there. Now it's just time to just plug it in. Cold day. Plastic parts don't like cold days. Okay, it's on there. Okay. That's it. It's honestly really simple. So if that's the solution, please don't be afraid to do it. Just do it.
Okay.
Here we go.
Ready, set, go! Ready, set, go! Go, 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 go! She's going! She's going! She's moving! She's moving! She's going! Faster, Dad! Faster! I think she's getting bored! You gotta go faster! Faster! Go faster! Are you okay? Because we're gonna go downhill quickly.
That's pretty good now.
We're going down! We're going down, Heather!
So dangerous. You like running to the back of the car.
Just speed up. She's got so much fun on that. Let's slow down a little bit as we get closer to the hill.
We're getting closer to a hill, Heather! You're going great! Don't just... Ah, you fell over!
Oh, that's it.
Is she okay?
Yeah, she's fine.